So I was on my way back home from work. It was a really nice day. I was doing a quick pull in the Jetta, and after I did that, I started to hear a weird noise. Once I got out of the car, looked, and the roof totally had started peeling up. So disappointed, just because we had spent so much time doing this, but the roof came up and we just peeled it the rest of the way off, and now I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. It just happened because the vinyl that we had used was super old. It was probably like 6 years old, from eBay, super cheap, and laying it down, we kind of knew that it wasn't laying down properly just because it didn't have much stick or tack to it. So it was laying down like for like 2 seconds, and then it would start peeling back up, and yeah. So that was a gigantic waste of time. I don't know if I want to rewrap it in like that carbon fiber or do like a matte black, or I was even thinking of actually doing like a DIY make your own carbon fiber real roof. I feel like that could be kind of cool for the channel, just so we can see if some DIY people like us, DIY mechanics, can do that on our own, and make that work. So let me know what you guys think in the comments on what I should do. So it's either carbon fiber wrap, matte black wrap, or try and make like our own custom carbon fiber roof. And yeah. On a brighter note though, guys, we are actually headed over to Brady's shop right now, and we are going to get this head kind of welded up. We're going to see if he can weld the cracks that are in each combustion chamber, and if not, then we'll scrap the head. If so, then we can move one step closer and actually be ready to put the head on the car and throw the cam in and all of that stuff. So we're going to head over there right now and see if we can get this thing all welded up. Alright guys, so I got back, my camera died over at Brady's shop, and we did get the head welded, but like I was thinking, it was just too much heat and too much energy concentrated in that area, and doing it without damaging the valve seats is almost impossible. So on a few of these valve seats, it actually like melted them and totally just melted through them. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually go to the scrapyard today and go pick up a head, and we'll just use a new starting spot, a used head from the scrapyard. We'll go ahead and do like a small port and polish on that as well. This will just be our practice head, even though the ports came out super nice on both sides, especially the exhaust. So it looked so nice, everything was so nice, but yeah, things happen. So we're gonna go ahead, take some tools over and go pull a head at the scrapyard. All right, so we've got a Beetle here, and it does have a 2.0, a very clean engine actually. So the valve cover's off, and this thing is spotless inside. So I don't think this is a bad find. I'll probably just end up pulling this one off real quick. So we're just gonna snip the timing belt. I brought some clips for that, so we'll snip that off, pull the cam out, and I don't really think I need the lifters. I might take them, and then we'll pull off the exhaust manifold on the back as well. So let's go ahead and get this off. Alright guys, so under here, everyone is basically perfect except for this one is actually blown out. So this is probably why the car is in the junkyard actually. So we're gonna go ahead, leave this head here and waste of time. So while I'm here, I'm actually just going around. I'm in another Jetta and I'm just kind of seeing what can be removed without messing anything up. I've been wanting to remove the rear seats on my car and kind of make like a alternate seat and have like a panel with some pads sitting on the panel, because I don't really have people riding in my car, so I don't really need the back seats. And while I'm here, I pulled the back seats out of this 1.8, and this side is extremely heavy. It's probably like 40-50 pounds, probably like 40 pounds. And this side decently heavy as well, probably like another 15-20. So altogether, what is that, 40 plus 20, that's like 60 pounds ish worth of rear seats that I don't really need. I was also looking in the back here. The carpet is removed, spare tire, all of that stuff is removed. And it doesn't look that bad. So I was thinking of removing my whole rear setup. I don't know what I would do with my sub yet, but just removing the whole carpet and all of that pad, and then flocking the whole back of the car, so it would have still a finish on it, but it would be pretty bare. So yeah, just looking into that stuff. So today is not a full loss, but pretty disappointed I didn't get that head, but whatever, we'll figure something out. Alright guys, so I am back home now, and I think it was actually a pretty good experience looking at all of the stuff that you can remove on the Jetta. The two front seats are really heavy, so if I went with like a lighter weight racing style seat, I would definitely save some weight there. Also in the rear, removing those seats, as well as I want to do a carbon fiber trunk and the carbon fiber hood, and then with the wrap failing earlier this week, I wanted to do a carbon fiber roof. I'm not sure if you guys voted for that or not. I'm just gonna do it. So at some point we will make like a mold or just overlay carbon fiber, and then peel it up and cut the roof off and then seal that on. So we'll think about doing that as well. And yeah, I think that's basically it for this video. Not much else happening. I'm home. I got home, by the way, if you guys didn't see that. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll just pick this up on the next video.